What a brutal week we've had. This is Dez here at Grok Trade. This is the weekend edition, good through March 29th, 2015. We're taking a look here at the markets. I want to show you what's taking place here. Right before I get into all the stocks and what's happening in the markets, I do want to show you guys our Stock Picks V newsletter. A lot of people don't realize this, but we also have a bear list. Fundamentally picked stocks that are very poor when it comes to their financials. But however, they're going for prices much higher than what their worth is. So each stock is virtually on its own bubble. And we just wait for the bubbles to pop. So the bear list, I think we're really one of the only service providers in the industry giving a bear list for stock picks. And if you like to short, we do that at the Stock Picks V newsletter. For this week, we had big moves because of the bearish market on 4 good ones off our list here that we want to note. But all these guys had significant drops. Now this right here is a 1-week drop. I mean, if your account, your 401k did 11% for the year, a lot of people would be fine with that. If your 401k did 21 or 22% in a year, you'd be ecstatic. These are stocks that dropped this amount in one single week, and they're found on last week's Stock Picks V newsletter. If you want this week's Stock Picks V newsletter for the bull side and the bear, all I want you to do is go to groktrade.com, click on Stock Picks, and go to Stock Picks V newsletter. And that will help you out. Now, here we're taking a look at tradingview.com, service that I'm using. It's free and it is online. And on Friday, we did close in bullish territory. So Thursday and Friday, you'll see that we closed in bullish territory. And that certainly helped the markets. But here's the problem. The problem is we have this symmetrical triangle. On this symmetrical triangle, we broke down, we busted it. Now we're getting this little mini-me dead cat bounce here. This is problematic because it's on the wrong side of support. So now it's acting as resistance. I think the markets are in dire trouble, especially if we cannot rally going into next week. If we start to drop, I'm looking for significant drops in the market. So there's the bull or bear list on the Stock Picks V newsletter. You definitely want to have those money-making opportunities there. Now, taking a look here at the Dow. Same thing, symmetrical triangle, we broke down and we rally higher, but we're finding what was support acting now as resistance. That's bad news, especially on decreasing volume on the upside. So this is not good. If you go here to the NASDAQ, and when I say the S&P, Dow, and NASDAQ, Russells, I'm looking at the ETFs. You can see that behind here, QQQ. This is the Power Shares Qs. These are ETFs. You can look up here also, Power Shares Qs. And this is a daily chart we're looking at. That's what the D is right here. Big symmetrical triangle broke down here on Wednesday, rallied back Thursday and Friday, acting as resistance. Small caps, the Russells, did not break any trend line, finding support at this and rallying higher. So here is the anomaly, is small caps. Now small caps still in a rising wedge, which is more bearish than it is bullish. You can go to the chart school at freeonlinetradingeducation.com to see that for yourself. So this thing could break down. If the markets do start to break down, this will break this trend line and you should see a significant drop in the markets. This is a big time warning to everybody out there. Gold pulled back a little bit after a major run last week, but it rallied back. So I'm not sold on the fact that we'll have a little bit of a pullback perhaps, and I'm looking to re-add positions, especially in silver. Silver's holding its own. I've been long silver for a while here, making a ton of money off of this one, and looking for a high base and then a breakout. If it starts to drop, I will certainly get out of that with my trailing stops that I do have in place. Mark Suffren did an exceptional video. I want you guys to right now go and watch his video. Go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and when you go there, click on trading videos, and this page will pop up right here. When it pops up, go to stock trading videos right here. Watch that video, very educational. You will like that. So if this was educational for you and you like the information you're getting here, please share this video with a friend. There's a share button below. Use it, abuse it. So if you like it, catch you later.